Welcome back, viewers. Today we have a Formula One car from Mini GT, not just any other Formula One car, the title winning car for Max Verstappen, 2021 Abu Dhabi GP winning car. So here's the usual licensing Mini GT logo, Red Bull Racing logo on the box. Let's go ahead and unbox the car. Yeah, I'm just trying to tear the plastic and just being sure that I don't damage the box. Okay. Just one more cut and we are done. Okay. All these cars come with a blister inside to protect the car. Okay. Let me take it out. Okay, here's how it looks. Let's put it away and let's see the car. Okay, this is how it looks from the front. All the small details are captured very nicely. Check out the dashboard, Puma logo, the Siemens logo, all the tiny details are captured here. Okay. The warning lights are looking good. The tires are free moving. Okay, Honda branding on the spoiler. Okay, these have rubber tires. Okay, and speaking of tires, these are the soft compound tires, which were the reason Max was able to overtake Lewis. Okay, front tires are also free moving. The helmet design is really nice. I don't think I'll be able to focus on that. It's really tiny. And the mirrors are very teeny tiny. Okay. Oh, let's check out at the bottom. 2021 Red Bull Racing RB16b. Okay. Let me know if you like the video. Do comment. Thank you.